Welcome students. In our real life, there are many shapes which are formed by combining different shapes. For example, a tent is formed by the combination of a cone and cylinder shape. Similarly, ice cream cone is a combination of a cone and a hemisphere. We came across different shapes which is a combination of different solids having one or more basic shapes. Let us see how can we calculate the total surface area and volume of the combined solids. Observe the shapes given. The shapes provided lead to the following definition of combined solid. A combined solid is said to be a solid formed by combining two or more solids. The concept of combined solids is useful in the fields like doll making, building construction, carpentry, etc. To calculate the surface area of the combined solid, we should only calculate the areas that are visible to our eyes. For example, if a cone is surmounted by a hemisphere, we need to just find out the curved surface area of the hemisphere and curved surface area of the cone separately and add them together. Listen carefully. To calculate total surface area, we just find out the curved surface area of the combined figures. Note that we are leaving the base area of both the cone and the hemisphere since both the bases are attached together and are not visible. But the volume of the solid formed by joining two basic solids will be the sum of the volumes of the individual solids. For total surface area, we have to calculate the curved surface area of a combined figure. For volume, we have to find the volume of the combined figures and add them. Example 7.24. A toy is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. See here, a toy is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. The height of the toy is 25 centimeter. Total height of this toy is 25 centimeter. Diameter equal to 12 centimeter. We know radius equal to half of the diameter. Find the total surface area. The toy is the combination of cylinder and hemisphere. So first write the measurement of the cylinder. Radius 6 centimeter. But what's the height of the cylinder? Total height is given. We have to subtract this radius. So height equal to 25 minus 6 equal to 19 centimeter. Then hemisphere radius 6 centimeter. In combined solid, radius is same for both the shapes. We have to find the total surface area. We know total surface area of the toy equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the hemisphere plus this base area of the cylinder. What is the base? Circular base. Curved surface area 2 pi RH and for hemisphere 2 pi r square. Base area of the cylinder pi r square. These two are like terms, so add together we get 2 pi RH plus 3 pi r square. Take the common terms outside, pi r into 2h plus 3r. Substitute the values. Listen carefully. Here we have to substitute the height of the cylinder, not the total height. So 19. After simplification, we get 22 by 7 into 6 into 56. This 56 is divided by 7, we get 8. Multiply the numerators, 1056. So total surface area of the toy equal to 1056 centimeters square. For surface area, we need to write square units. It's very easy and important 5 mark sum. Example 7.25. A jewel box is in the shape of a cuboid of dimension 30 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, surmounted by a half part of a cylinder as shown in the figure. See the diagram. A jewel box is in the shape of a cuboid surmounted by a half part of a cylinder. Only half of the cylinder taken. Find the volume of the box. Let us write the dimensions. For cuboid, length equal to 30 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. Next, cylinder. For cylinder, it is the diameter. So what's the diameter? 15 centimeter. Radius 15 by 2. Then it is the height. This portion is the height of the cylinder. So height equal to 30 centimeter. We need to calculate the volume. We know volume equal to sum of the volume of the combined solids. Volume of the box equal to volume of the cuboid plus half into volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cuboid L into B into H plus half into volume of the cylinder pi r square H. Substitute the values. This 2 and 30 get cancelled, 15. Then this 2 and 22, 11. First you multiply the whole numbers. 30 into 15, 45. So 4500 plus. Multiply the numerators. 37,125 by 2 into 7. So after dividing we get 2651.7857. Round off to 2 decimal places, we get 2651.79. Then add the numbers, 7151.79. So volume of the box equal to 7151.79 cubic centimeter. Volumes are measured in cubic units. Both are important 5 marks sum. Practice alone makes perfection. Practice well. Thank you.